Here today I would like to show you how to fix this problem of your PayPal account. Yeah, this is my customer PayPal account that I have been already created. It need more some information. Submit info to access your funds. To continue having access to your funds, you'll need to submit the info we have requested. Right now, let's go to this option, submit info to access your funds. Hit that option, the account impact, and you all also to check more. Something that you cannot do: pay using PayPal, send money or payments, withdraw money from PayPal, and so on. Check by yourself, right? Let me close. Scroll up a little bit, and then you will see the option upload a photo ID. Hit this option, result. Something or the thing you must do is to upload a photo ID. Let's scroll up a little bit, and this is the direction that you must follow, right? Scroll up more. Let's go to the option document type. Hit that option. In this tab, you need to choose the document that you have been created and use this account. I have been created and use the national identity card, so that I would like to choose the national identity card, right? After choosing the document type, scroll up a little bit. You can go to the option browse file if you use your phone, and this is JPG, GIF, PNG, PDF. I would like to use that I have been taken a photo of my ID. Right now I would like to go to the option browse files here, and then I would like to go to my photo library on my iPhone. After choosing the photo ID, you see here my photo ID is PNG file. Right now I would like to scroll up a little bit. Yeah. And then let's hit the word submit. Just wait a little bit. Your information has been submitted. Hit the option go to account limitations. Yeah. That's okay. Let's go to the option home. Yeah, I have been fixed the PayPal account. That is easy. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you for watching. See you next videos.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe for more.